Zero. And Mayank and Dhruv, college is giving holiday in the month of May.
Sir, we are not sure about that.
Acha. Dimension 102. Monoatomic gas expands at constant pressure on heating. The percentage of heat supplied that increases internal energy of gas and that involved in work done will be how much? If heated at constant pressure, then heat supplied is N Cp dt, correct? Hello?
Yes.
For monoatomic gas. What is gamma for monoatomic gas? Gamma value. Is it 5 by 3? Gamma is 5 by 3.
Yes, sir.
And gamma means Cp upon Cv is 5 by 3.
Yes.
This is heat supplied used to increase internal energy and to perform work.
Yes.
And Cv is only internal energy.
Yes.
So can I split this numerator as 3 plus 2?
Hmm.
So total 5 में से कितना internal energy है? 3 है ना?
Yes, sir.
So in percentage, it will become 60%.
Yes.
And percentage of work done is out of 5 only 2 into 100. That means
Hmm.
40%.
Yes.
So whenever they want what percentage of internal, what is percentage of work, you remember gamma, convert that as energy plus work upon energy. So total 5 में से 3 is energy and total 5 में जो बच गया वो work. And work is always 2 only. Always it will be that only. मतलब whatever is total, उसमें से 2 work रहेगा. If total is 5, 2 by 5. Total is 7, 2 by 7. Total is 9, 2 by 9 and so on. Because work is R dt and R is always 2. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Copy this 102. This Sunday's paper everybody has given. Those who are present,
Yes, sir.
No, sir, I will give today.
please give because I have to correct and send it back to you all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This Sunday will be no test because hardly will take one lecture. And then I will give you the planner of a week, of a month. As per that, we have to proceed for test.
Done, sir.
103. On giving equal amount of heat at constant volume to 1 mole of monoatomic gas. Equal amount of heat at constant volume is given to monoatomic gas and diatomic gas. 1 mole of mono and di. Then rise in temperature का relation चाहिए. What is formula for heat supplied at constant volume for 1 mole? 1 CV dt, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is for mono and same thing is for di. CV for mono is 3 by 2R and dt of mono, this is 5 by 2R, temperature of di, R by 2 cancel. So dt of mono is 5 by 3 dt of di. So temperature of mono will be greater than temperature of di, correct?
Yes.
Answer is. Then
Done. Sir.
next one, the amount of heat absorbed by unit mass of substance during its change of state without changing temperature is called as what? Latent heat. Amount of heat absorbed to change the state at constant temperature is called as latent heat. I think I missed 104. Latent heat of vaporization is always greater than latent heat of fusion. For steam, latent heat of vaporization is 540 calories per gram and latent heat of fusion is 80 calories per gram. Write down.
Done, sir.
106. 1 gram of water having 1 gram of water having volume of 1 centimeter square. Mass is 1 gram and volume is 1 centimeter cube. On vaporization at atmospheric pressure forms volume of 1671 meter cube. Heat of vaporization at this pressure. So latent heat of vaporization, which I told 540 calories per gram. Then increase in internal energy. Li or du is how much? The internal energy is hidden. We cannot see. So whenever it is problem of latent heat given, we can find external latent heat, which is work done. And work done is P dV. This is in calorie. So I will divide by J. If I divide by J, answer will become in. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
If I divide by J, then this is, if it in CGS, then I will get erg as a unit. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So first I have to convert all in SI, then divide by J, you will get in calorie. And divide by mass is 1. Then total latent heat is nothing but internal plus external ka total. Total is given 540. Internal I have to calculate. External I have to do by calculation and substitute. What is atmospheric pressure in SI? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is atmospheric pressure? 1.013 into 10 raised to 5 ना in SI.
Yes, sir.
इसको मास से भी डिवाइड कर देता हूँ तो पर केजी के लिए मिलेगा. CdV मतलब जूल डिवाइड बाय जे कैलोरी पर ग्राम के लिए डिवाइड बाय m into V2 1671 minus 1 centimeter cube to meter cube 10 raised to minus 6. This is close to 4.2 into mass is 10 raised to minus 6. This is in gram. I converted in kilogram. So for me, answer will come in kilocalories per kg, which I will convert into calories per gram later on. Can I say this is 1.013 10 raised to minus 1 into 1670 upon 42 into 10 raised to minus 4. Any doubt till this?
No doubt, sir.
40 into 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 1680 मतलब नियरली 40 हो जाएगा फिर, करेक्ट? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
तो ये हो गया 40 into 10 raised to 3 joules कैलोरी, सॉरी किलो कैलोरी, कैलोरी में कन्वर्ट किया, कैलोरी पर केजी. तो 1 केजी में कितना ग्राम? 1000 ना, तो ये कैंसर हो गया, बराबर? हेलो हेलो,
Yes, sir.
the conversion is very important here. We converted in SI ये पूरे को, तो जूल मिला. ये मास पर केजी, जे से डिवाइड किया तो कैलोरीज पर केजी हो गया. बट ये हम लोग को दिया है इन ग्राम, इससे मैंने उसको 1000 से डिवाइड किया. नाउ व्हाट इज इंटरनल देन? 500 calories per gram. Not followed.
Followed, sir.
Followed.
Copy 106. Option C.
Done, sir.
Okay. 107. In any equation, in the equation PV equal to RT, V stands for what volume? If you say PV equal to RT, that means N is 1, na? Correct? N is 1. Hello?
Yes.
Now, this means
Yes, sir.
given weight upon molecular weight is 1. So they're telling, then V stands for what volume? अभी ये V stands for any amount, depends upon molecular weight कितना है. So we'll say A, because number of mole 1, that means given weight is equals to molecular weight. So depending upon which gas is taken, quantity or amount of the mass will keep on changing. So it stands for any amount, option A. 108. At pressure P, temperature T, mass M of gas is filled in a closed container of volume V. An additional mass 2m of the same gas. So new mass is m plus 2m extra added is introduced in the container. The volume is then reduced to V by 3. V2 is V by 3. And the temperature T2 is T by 3. The pressure of gas P2 is how much? It is same. Gas means molecular weight is same. So we know PV is nRT. That means it is given mass upon molar mass into RT. So I can say P1 V1 upon P2 V2, M1 upon M2, molecular weight same cancel, R same cancel, temperature T1 T2. So P1 is P, V1 is V, P2 V want, P2 is V by 3, M1 is M, M2 is 3M, T1 is T, and T2 is T by 3. So TT, MM cancel, this 3 cancel, V will get cancelled. So you get 3P upon P2 is 1. Therefore, P2 equals to 3. P2 3. Option C.
Done, sir.
109. A cylinder contains 2 kg of air at pressure of 10 raised to 5 Pascal. If 2 kg more gas is pumped in, so earlier 2 plus 2, it will become 4 kg. Keeping the temperature constant, T1 is T2, then what will be the new pressure? The cylinder is closed, so volume is same. So I can say PV is nRT first, then PV is given weight upon molecular weight into RT. P1 upon P2 is given mass M1 upon M2, T1 by T2, rest or constant will get cancelled. P1 upon P2, M1 is 2, M2 is 4, P is constant cancel. Therefore, new pressure is double of original. So it is 2 into 10 raised to 5. Option B. 2 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal.
Done, sir.
110. The internal energy of perfect gas does not change. Internal energy does not change means temperature does not change. Internal energy does not change means temperature is constant. Temperature constant means isothermal. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Change is isothermal. Right. Hundred and 11. A vessel has 6 gram of oxygen at pressure P and temperature of 400 Kelvin. A small hole is made in the vessel so that oxygen leaks out. How much oxygen will leak out? Oxygen leak out means oxygen present at the start minus oxygen at the end. If the final pressure is P by 2 and temperature is 300 Kelvin. Because it is same cylinder, again volume is same. So PV is given weight upon molecular weight into RT. P1 upon P2 is M1 upon M2 T1 upon T2. P1 is P, P2 is P by 2, M1 6, M2 I don't know. T1 400, T2 300. 0 cancels, 3 2s are 6. TP also cancel. So 2 upon 1 equals to 8 upon M2, 2 into 4. M2 equals to 4 gram. Therefore, mass leaked out is 6 minus 4 equals to 2 gram. Common mistake will write answer 4 gram. 4 gram is the left out, not leaked. So 2 gram is leaked. Option B. Right.
Done, sir.
One. We did 111. We did 112. An open mouthed bottle. Open mouthed means it is in contact with atmospheric pressure. That is pressure equals to atmospheric pressure, which is constant. Volume is also constant. Same container. Open mouth bottle contain gas at temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. That is nothing but 60 plus 273, 6, 7, 13, 313 Kelvin. It is heated so that 1/4 mass of the gas may leave. So mass remaining is original mass minus 1/4, 3/4 m is left out. Then what is new temperature? PV is given weight upon molecular weight into T. Pressure same, volume same, ratio mate will get cancelled. M1 upon M2, T1 by T2. M1 is M, this is 3/4 of M, T1 313 upon T2. So it will become 3 by 4 T2 equals to 313. Therefore T2 is 4 into 313 upon 3. The 313 बराबर है 303 6 and 13 correct. This much Kelvin. Option 1/4 of gas will leave it, left out is 3/4. So temperature, to what temperature should it be heated to? Okay. So that means it is 4 into 312, 3/4 T2 is 4 to the 12, 4 and 1 5, 4 to the 12 upon 3. So this is equals to 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, and the 2, 22, 3 into 7 Kelvin. So it is 417 minus 273, 4, 4, 144 degrees Celsius, close to this. 144, close to this is A option. A. Then
Done, sir.
113. The molar gas constant is same for all gas because the molar gas constant is same for all gases because at same temperature and pressure equal volume of gas will have same watt. The molar gas constant is same for all gas because at same temperature and pressure equal volume of gas have same watt. See, when temperature is same, because they have given the same temperature, they have same average kinetic energy और कुछ नहीं कर सकते. D option. Temperature same means average kinetic energy is same. Pressure versus graph is as shown. Temperature T naught, temperature 2 T naught, temperature P naught, temperature 3 P naught. This is A, this is B. Density of gas at point A is rho naught. Density at B will be how much? We know PV is nRT. So V is mass upon density is same gas. Point is खाली different. So N will be same. R into T. When I take ratio, it will become P1 upon P2 into rho 2 upon rho 1 equals to T1 upon T2. So P at A is P naught, P at B is 3 times P naught. Density at A is given rho naught, density at B we have to calculate. Temperature is T naught, T2 is 2 times T naught. Cancel this. Cancel this. So rho at B will become 3 times rho naught upon 2. 3 by 2. Check. 3 by 2 है क्या? Yes. Option B.
Done, sir.
115. Consider hydrogen consider mixture of oxygen and hydrogen kept at room temperature. As compared to hydrogen molecule, oxygen molecule will hit the wall with greater speed, smaller average speed, and so on. Temperature same. So kinetic energy of hydrogen must be same as kinetic energy of oxygen because temperature is same. So half into mass of hydrogen, RMS speed of hydrogen is half into mass of oxygen into RMS speed of oxygen squared. Half cancel. Mass of hydrogen, temperature is same, is 3 kT by m of hydrogen. No, they are telling who will hit by more speed. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who will hit by same with more speed? They are telling na. Mass of hydrogen कितना है? 2.
Yes, sir.
ऑक्सीजन का
16.
आप एटॉमिक मास का बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो
Yes.
ये ज्यादा हो गया ना. C of hydrogen is greater than C of oxygen.
Yes.
So hydrogen will hit with oxygen molecule will hit with smaller speed because उसका मास ज्यादा इसलिए स्पीड कम. So option B.
Done, sir.
Okay. Coming to 116. A gas in an enclosure has pressure P and temperature T Kelvin. Another gas enclosed in a container of same volume has pressure 2P, temperature T by 2, then ratio of number of mole per unit volume. Number of mole per unit volume of the two gases is PV is nRT. So P will become number of mole per unit volume into RT. So P1 upon P2 is N upon V of first case upon second case T1 upon T2. P1 is P, P2 is 2V. Number of mole per unit volume ratio we have to calculate. T1 is T, T2 is T by 2. This gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. So 1 upon 2 is ratio of number of mole per unit volume into 2. So 1 by 4 is ratio of number of mole per unit volume. 1 is to 4. Option A. Copy. 1 is to 4.
Done, sir.
117. a gas filled in closed vessel is heated through 1 Kelvin. So dT is 1 Kelvin. And its pressure increases by percentage increase in pressure is 0.4. Then initial temperature T1 is how much? Closed vessel means volume is constant. So P is directly proportional to T. So percentage change in P is dT upon T into 100, which is percentage change in volume. So 0.4 equals to 1 upon T into 100. Therefore, T is 100 upon 0.4, which will be 1000 upon 4 equals to 250 Kelvin, option A. Done? Hello, Vijay?
Yes, sir.
So everything we have completed of 11th standard, including the MCQs. Take one new notebook for Friday's lecture. We'll start with chapters of 12th standard. 12 chapters are smaller as compared to 11th. So we will try to complete almost everything by October as per proper planning. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And Mayank, sorry, Anmol,